Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss English idioms of CSS English paper 1998. So let's start. The last ditch. It means a final desperate attempt or a last line of defense. यानी एक आखिरी मायूसकुन कोशिश या दिफा की आखिरी लाइन. Example sentences. Despite facing numerous challenges, the team made a last ditch effort to secure the crucial contract and their determination paid off. A square meal. It means a nutritious and satisfying meal that provides enough food to satisfy one's hunger. यानी ग़िज़ाइयत से भरपूर और इत्मीनान बख्श खाना जो किसी की भूख मिटाने के लिए काफ़ी हो. Example sentences. After a long day of hard work, the farmer sat down to enjoy a square meal of fresh vegetables and hearty stew. Go public. It means to become publicly known or to make something known to the general public, especially through an official announcement or disclosure. यानी आम लोगों को कुछ बताना, ख़ास तौर पर किसी सरकारी ऐलान या इंकिशाफ के ज़रिए. Example sentences. After years of development, the company decided to go public with its innovative product, revealing it to customers worldwide. Run riot. It means to behave in a wild, unrestrained and uncontrolled manner to cause chaos or disorder. यानी जंगली, बेलगाम और बेकाबू तरीके से बर्ताव करना और इसकी वजह से अफरा तफरी या इंतशार पैदा करना. Example sentences. The children were left unsupervised and they ran riot in the house, turning it into a chaotic mess. The backroom boy. It means a person who works behind the scenes, often in a supporting or advisory role and is not in the public eye. यानी एक ऐसा शख्स जो पर्दे के पीछे काम करता है, अक्सर माविन या मशावरती किरदार में और आवाम की नज़रों में वो नहीं होता. Example sentences. In the success of the project, the backroom boy, with his meticulous planning, played a crucial role despite not being in the forefront. Foot the bill. It means to bear the cost or expense of something, to pay for something. यानी किसी चीज़ की कीमत या खर्च बर्दाश्त करना या किसी चीज़ की अदायगी करना. Example sentences. Jane forgot her wallet, so I had to foot the bill for lunch. Set the pace. It means to establish the speed standard or rate at which others should proceed, to lead or to be the example for others to follow. यानी दूसरों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए रफ्तार, मेयार या शरह कायम करना या दूसरों की पैरवी करने के लिए उनका रहनुमा बनना या उनके लिए मिसाल बनना. Example sentences. The experienced athlete decided to set the pace from the beginning of the race, leaving the competitors struggling to keep up. At times. It means occasionally, from time to time. यानी कभी कभार या वक्त से वक्त तक. Example sentences. After times, it is good to take a break and relax. Steal the show. To attract attention and admiration in a performance or event, often by outshining others. यानी किसी कारकर्दगी या तकरीब में दूसरों की तवज्जो और तारीफ हासिल करना, अक्सर दूसरों को पीछे छोड़कर. Example sentences. In the school play, Sarah's outstanding acting skills managed to steal the show, leaving the audience in the awe. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.